Alright, y'all, welcome back to the Dominoes 7 show. Live location at Comic-Con at the convention center. Okay. I'm about to give Randy TV a call right quick. Let me give him a call right now. Okay. Alright, so I'm about to give Truth the Game a call and see where he at. Okay. Everybody in here having fun, stuff like that, anything like that. On the way, yeah.
Yeah, I saw him too.
I saw him when I just got.
Oh, damn you, bro. Damn this guy. He not even coming out. I mean, calling, answering the phone or whatever. Okay. Oh, familiar face. Hey, you remember me? All right. How you doing? All right. It's nice seeing you again. All right. Oh, a lot of people buying some games. Hey there. Hey, how you doing? Hey. Oh, look, it's Truth the Game. Hey, what's happening? He doing his. I'm doing my.
I ran the dominoes.
All right, what's happening? Oh, you a YouTuber too?
Yeah, man. Life of Mayo here.
All right, Life of Mayo. Oh,
to my channel.
So
we over here working it.
Oh, I think I did subscribe to you.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice meeting you, man.
You too, man.
All right, look what they have here.
I'm thinking about getting this.
Oh, I already have that though. Go ahead and get it.
This is how I got it, because it's only $3.99.
Oh, $3.99. Well, I already have that anyway. Okay.
Something where you think.
If you want to, go ahead. I was looking all over. Hey, what's that?
You know him?
Oh yeah, I met him yesterday. Oh, this is my pal right here, Truth the Game, at AK Randy TV.
Oh my God, I can't even get rid of you, Heath.
Oh, Heath. That's Heath. Oh, Heath, this is my friend. Oh, Heath on the show. What's happening?
You look pretty popular, bro.
Oh yeah, we know each other. Well, I'm not gonna say where you work on the show. No. Well, let me stop the tape first. Oh,
That Domino 7. That Domino 7.
All right.
Domino 7.
All right. So anyway, I'm about to go on a commercial break, and I'll be right back. Okay. All right.